Worksheets are a great way to organise your simulations for an upcoming event. Let's import a car. We've got this dialog box. Do we want to move it from the list of cars, or do we want to copy it? If we move it, then we can see that it's no longer available in the list of car configs. So that's hidden, tidied away nicely in the worksheet. However, we can click this Include in Worksheets button, and we can always search for a car that's hidden away in a worksheet. I'll mention this Include Delete Requested button. It's super handy if you need to restore a config or a simulation that you deleted within the last 7 days. Let's give this row a name, day 1, run 1, and track, Silverstone, and weather, we're doing pretty well, 25 degrees and dry. We can select the study type. I'm happy to run a straight sim and press run study. So this is an alternative way to the staging area for running simulations. The race engineer has now gone ahead and made a load of changes to the car. You can see that these two cars are now linked together. They're both highlighted grey at the same time. If I edit one of them, it will change the other car. I want to break that link, and now they're no longer linked together. Edit the car. I want to change the ride height and the anti-roll bar stiffness. Save that, return to the worksheet. I'm happy that the track remains the same, so that link can remain in place, and I'm optimistic that the weather will remain fine. Now we run the new simulation. If we go to Edit Labels, this shows some helpful information at the top level. So I'll find Straight Sim, add label, R aero balance 200 kph, mechanical balance 100 kph, and roll stiffness. If I save that, we see at the top level, you can see the aero and mechanical balance. You can do similar things for the car, so you could get that to display the mass and the weight distribution. You can also hold control, select two configs and press compare, and now we can see the differences, and we can switch between them and make a car that's a combination of the two, and we can save that output. We can also overlay the simulations by clicking Compare Results and then clicking Overlay. So that allows you to compare those changes. One thing that's worth noting, if you're working as part of a team, I'm currently the owner of this worksheet, and so somebody else cannot edit it unless they take it off me. So there's this Take Ownership button, and you can check with the owner of the worksheet that they're happy for you to resume work on it, and if they're okay, you can take ownership, and then you can have the permission to edit that worksheet.